guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be checking out popular songs from German artists. So without further ado, let's get started.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
Kriegen wir das hin? Never get the high without the low. It's gonna be
An deiner Seite will ich bleiben, geh durch Feuer und alle Zweifel.
Oh, I can see the fire in your eyes.
So weit gekommen und so viel gesehen, so viel passiert.
Love, oh love, I gotta tell you how I feel about you, 'cause I
Say you will remember me when you go. Take a beat and let it get away.
Meine Art dir zu sagen, es ist schön, dass du da bist. Ich trag 1000 Tattoos auf der Haut, ein Astronaut. 4, 3, 2, 1, let me los. Einen Stern, der deinen Namen trägt. Ein Hoch auf uns, auf Herz und Erde.
atemlos durch die Nacht spür, was Liebe mit uns.
Auch wenn wir schon weit gekommen sind, wir gehen immer weiter hoch hinauf. Dear Diary, I'm on my way to madness. She don't belong.
MFG, mit freundlichen Grüßen, die Welt liegt uns zu Füßen, denn wir stehen drauf, wir gehen drauf.
Living in our own little Hollywood.
Close your eyes, make a wish. When life ain't easy,
Auf das, was da noch kommt. Auf jedes Stolpern, jedes Scheitern.
wohin willst du, wenn du nicht mehr bei mir
Bestehen. Wir können es immer noch fühlen. Wir können es immer noch fühlen. Doch manchmal träume ich nur von dir. Sie sagt, was muss ich tun, dass du mich für mein Pen. Ruf meinen Namen von jedem Ort der Welt. Herz über Kopf. An guten Tagen gibt es nur hier und jetzt. Listening to the wind of change. I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this. Sugar, how you get so fast. Sugar, how you get so.
You're my heart, you're my soul. Yeah, I feel as the sun goes down, ain't nobody loves me better, makes me happy.
Sherry, Sherry lady, going through emotion. Love is where you find.
Trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side.
Are you my parody? I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots, but my home. In my life, in my life, in my life, in my life.
Doch der Abend wirft ein Tuch aufs Land.
'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I can fly.
It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
Oh, that's it. Oh my god. Damn. I want more. I want more from them. This is so beautiful.
I don't know German artist.
Huh?
I don't know any German artist. Except Alicia Cara is a German girl, and I'm not sure.
I love that. Every time we
So
touch.
it's like that.
That was
literally
my
the only
childhood
I actually
song.
know.
I love that. I heard a lot of songs that I know, but I heard Stay Too, and I don't think you know it. I
Nah,
love
I
that
don't.
song. That every time we do, I can't do. Like it just makes me happy
But they
whenever I
actually
play.
do have nice songs. Though, like,
Yeah, they
nice
do.
songs. And the beats, like you can catch the vibe.
Yeah, they do have nice. I enjoyed every bit of it. I love the fact that even if you don't know the song, at least you can vibe
Yeah,
to
vibe
it.
to it.
Like
That's,
it's something
that's
you can.
basically it.
Yeah, you can vibe to the song. And I saw Rammstein there. I love Rammstein. I love their group. They're so good. Their performance. Sometimes they make scary songs, so it's kind of yeah, that kind of vibe. But I love them. I love the performance. I enjoyed every bit of the songs we saw. Yeah, some of them I know them, but right now I can't really remember them to be like, ah, yeah, I know this particular song. I did enjoy every bit of it. I love it. I enjoyed it. What do you think?
But it was nice. Exactly what I was saying. Like I do not listen to German artists. That's why I basically don't know anyone. But that every time we touch, yeah, I know that song and from TikTok. So basically, I
Really?
feel like yeah,
You didn't know that song when you were young?
no.
Oh,
So I
seriously?
feel like I need to maybe check out more countries and their music.
I never knew it was even a German song at first. Like I just thought maybe American or
Yeah,
stuff
me
like
too.
that.
I'm
But
shocked
I've heard it
she's
since I was
German.
young. Like I've had it on my playlist. So
No,
it's
no,
this kind
no.
of song that I like. Like it's my song. But you don't know that. Oh
No.
damn, that's sad. But at least now you know.
Right, exactly.
So guys, please let us know what you think about our reaction. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share our videos. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.